We have been discussing exercise 3.1 of the class 8th. So, we have already discussed question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, and now let us discuss about the question number 4. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle? So, this is a regular polygon. So, first of all, we calculate the exterior angle. Exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 180 degree minus 165 degree. So this is basically 15 degree. Now we should apply the formula. Each exterior angle each exterior angle a regular polygon of a regular polygon is equal to 360 degree upon n. A regular polygon is each exterior angle. This is basically each exterior angle. So now 360 upon n. So by the cross multiplication, n is equal to 360 degree upon 15 degree. Now we should reduce this, convert it into standard form. So 40. So number of side will be 40 degree. Sorry, not 40 degree, for 24 sides. Number of side will be 24. Let us understand about the next polygon, which is a trapezium. Trapezium is a quadrilateral with a pair of parallel sides. Suppose this is a trapezium. Let us understand with the help of the diagram. This is basically trapezium. A, B, C. Opposite sides are parallel in this figure. So opposite sides are parallel mean, according to this diagram, AB parallel CD. So this is angle. This is also angle. This angle C and this angle B. If you want to represent angle A, so you should represent like that. Angle A or angle BAD, angle BAD, or you should also represent like that angle DAB, and angle B can also represent like that ABC, angle ABC, or angle CBA. Similarly, if you want to represent angle C, so angle BCD or angle DCB. And now angle D you can do yourself and fill angles. Now if you want to talk about the sides, AB or BA, both are the same side. AB and BA both are the same length. Same as it is BC. BC is a side, or you can also write like that CB. And CD is also a side, or you can also write like that DC. Same as it is AD, or you can write here yourself. Now the adjacent angle and adjacent side. adjacent angles. So angle A, the adjacent angle of angle A, adjacent angle will be B or angle D. These two adjacent angle of A, okay, and adjacent angle of B, adjacent angle of B, there are two angle of adjacent of B, angle C and angle A. Similarly, adjacent sides, adjacent side of AB. So there are two adjacent side of AB, this one and this one. So BC and AD. In the same way, we can understand the adjacent side of other sides and opposite angle, angle A opposite to angle C. These are opposite angles, okay. And now let us talk about the kite. Kite is a special type of a quadrilateral. The sides with the same marking of each figure according to all these figures. For example, AB is equal to AD. This side is equal to this. It means two adjacent side pair of two adjacent side, pair of two adjacent sides. These two and this one and this one. So only this one pair of adjacent side must be equal in the kite. Only one pair of adjacent side. Not only two pair of, only two pair of adjacent side. One pair is this, one pair means AD and AB, and other pair is BC and CD. So two pair of adjacent side should be equal in the kites. Same, this is figure, this is a one pair and this is a one pair. Same in this figure. So these figure represent the kite. And a kite has four sides. It is a quadrilateral. Second point, there are exactly two distinct consecutive pair of side of equal length. Same, consecutive mean continuous. Consecutive mean continuous. Two distinct consecutive pair of opposite side always should be equal in the kite. Now, if you want to discuss about the diagonal, so this is a diagonal, okay, and this is also a diagonal. So in this figure, diagonal intersect at each other at 90 degrees. This is also a diagonal BD, and this is a diagonal AC. So the angle between these two diagonals must be 90 degree. 90 degree. So basically this is a kite. Now the parallelogram. Parallelogram means parallelogram. Opposite side of a parallelogram are parallel and equal. A quadrilateral which has a quadrilateral which has equivalent parallel opposite side. Parallel and equal, parallel and equal opposite side. Quadrilateral which has parallel and equal opposite side is called a parallelogram. Opposite angle also must be equal in the parallel. This angle is equal to this and this angle is equal to this. These two are opposite angle and these two are opposite angle. Okay. Now this is a parallelogram, this is also a parallelogram, and this is also a parallelogram because opposite side are equivalent parallel. Opposite side are equivalent parallel. This opposite to this opposite to this. So opposite side are parallel in equal. This is parallelogram. Opposite angle in this figure ABCD, angle A opposite to angle C, angle A opposite to angle C, angle B opposite to angle D. Okay, and the diagonals, what about the diagonals? So join AC, so AC is a diagonal and BD is a diagonal. So there are two diagonals in a parallelogram. Is it clear? Now after that, this figure, these are not a parallelogram. Why these are not a parallelogram? Opposite side are parallel but not equal. But not equal. Is it clear? So this and these two sides are may be parallel but not equal. These two sides not parallel, not equal. These two sides are not also parallel, not equal. So these are the reason behind it. Because of that, these figures are not a parallelogram. Now let us understand element of the parallelogram. Basically, element mean adjacent angle, vertices, sides, angles, diagonals, properties of the diagonal, properties of parallelogram. This is a short form of a parallelogram. So these all are the elements of a parallelogram. This is a plural form of the vertex. Sides, angle, diagonal, and properties of the parallelogram. Now, suppose this is a parallelogram PQRS. So P is a vertex, and if we want to represent PQ, PQ, R and S. So these all are the vertices. If you want to represent together, so these all are the vertices. Same as it is, you can represent sides, angles, diagonals. We have discussed above in this video. So basically these are the elements. This is the question. Consider the following parallelogram. Find the values of unknown x, y, z. So we all know that ABCD is a parallelogram. ABCD is a parallelogram so that angle B is equal to angle D. Reason behind it, opposite angles of parallelogram. Okay, angle A is 100 degree, so angle D is equal to 100 degree. Now angle B plus angle A, or angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Why? Because of that adjacent angle. Sum of adjacent angles of parallelogram. Sum of adjacent angle of parallelogram. So angle B is 100 degree. So we can calculate angle A. So angle A is equal to 180 degree minus 100 degree. So answer will be 80 degree. Angle A is equal to 80 degree. Same as it is, we can do angle A, angle C is equal to angle A, because opposite angles of a parallelogram. Okay, so angle C, angle A is 80 degree. So this is the basically solution of figure number 1. Same as it is, we can calculate the unknown angle of the figure number 2. Figure number 2, we can solve same as it is. Angle this 50 degree plus y is equal to 180. Sum of adjacent angle of parallelogram. So y is equal to 180 degree minus 50 degree. So y is equal to 130. If y is 130, so x will be opposite angle. X and y will be opposite angle. So we can calculate x is equal to y degree opposite angle of parallelogram. So x is equal to also 130 degree, and angle z and angle y will be alternate interior. Angle y and angle z also will be equal, and angle y is equal to angle z. Alternate interior angle. So y is equal to angle z is equal to also 130 degree. So basically we can also calculate like that. This is the solution of question number 2. Now let us discuss about this diagram. This is A, B, C and D. This symbol represents this angle is 90 degree. So, and this point is O. Now angle AOD is equal to angle BOC, vertically vertically opposite vertically opposite angle. So angle AOD is x degree. This is 90. So value of x is 90 degree. And now in triangle AOD, x plus y plus 30 degrees is equal to 180 degree by angle sum property. For the value of x, 180 degree, 90 and 30 is 120. So y is equal to 180 degree minus 120 degree is equal to 60 degree. And angle y and angle z are alternate interior, y and z. Now angle y is equal to angle z, alternate interior angle. So y is equal to 60, y is equal to 60 degree. So z is also 60 degree, because this is a solution of this question. This is enough for today class. You can note it down. Thank you so much.